Hi guys! Welcome to my YouTube channel. So I'm here again, Pinay in India. So guys, today is the December 31, welcoming 2022. So today I got a parcel delivery. So, and then I'm so happy. I didn't expect that it will come so early. So I got my Google AdSense guys. Yan siya guys. Yan siya. So ang Google AdSense kasi guys, kung wala kang Google AdSense within 4 months na na-monetize yung channel mo, hindi ka makakasahod. So parang may sasagurin guys. So kasi within 4 months na hindi mo ma-receive yung Google AdSense mo, it means na mawawala rin yung ads sa channel mo. So ibig sabihin kasi syempre dun tayo kumikita sa ads, diba? So kaya important ito. Within 4 months na hindi pa siya na-receive, so mawawala lang po sa yung ads sa channel natin. So before ako nagkaroon ng Google AdSense, of course, I have to reach the requirements of YouTube. So I have to reach the 1,000 subscriber and 4,000k watch hour. Yun yung pinaka-difficult, yung 4,000k watch hour. So hindi naman lahat na mako-convince mo na manood dun sa channel mo, diba? So at least na-complete ko siya within 1 year kasi yun kasi ang requirements ni YouTube na within 1 year kailangan mong ma-complete yung 4,000 watch hour kasi pag lumagpas ng 1 year magbaback to 0 yung watch hour mo. So ganun yun. So I'm happy that na-reach ko siya within wala pang 1 year. So nalibang naman ako habang nasa onboard yung asawa ko. So itong YT naman kasi ginawa ko to share my life here in India. Gusto kong ma-share kung ano yung mga states or places or lugar na binivisit namin mag-asawa at ng anak ko. And then I wanted to share you guys what life I have here in India. So yun lang naman. That's why I created this channel. Because kasi ang purpose ko is at least we can watch the places we had visited before in YouTube, because kasi minsan nai-erase natin sa phone natin, di ba, lalo na pag mga full memory na yung phone natin. At least sa YouTube nandun lang siya. That's my purpose. So I'm so happy I got my Google AdSense after kong na-reach yung requirements ng YouTube. And then before siya dumating guys, nag-email yung Google at yung YouTube sa akin, I have to verify my billing address, but they didn't ask me the ID. So what I did is I emailed the Google support, ni-screenshot ko yung lumalabas dun sa channel ko na I have to verify my billing address and all. Then sinabi ko dun how to verify my billing address. So within 2 days nag-reply sila na sinabi na I have to upload my ID, a national ID here in India. So the good thing is it's not allowed the Aadhaar card. So the good thing is I have the ID card. The license, driving license. So iyon yung pinasa ko sa kanila, in-upload ko. So after within 30 minutes, nag-receive na sila na approve yung ID ko. And then sinabi nila na I have to wait. So ipapakita ko yung email later, i-attach ko sa video. So after ng 30 minutes na na-upload ko and na-send ko yung email ng billing address ko together with my license ID. So I got email na sinabi I have to wait. They sent my Google PIN through my address here in India. So I have to wait for 4 weeks. So I think I received within 3 weeks. I think 3 weeks lang. Nandito na siya. Ayan na siya. Mamaya ko na siya buksan. So ayan na siya. Ayun, na-receive ko siya. So I'm so happy. Before New Year, I got my PIN. So let's hope for the best na I can share more videos to you about my life here in India, about the places we will visit soon or in future. And then the second envelope I got is from Manila, Philippines, from Makati. But it was addressed and named by my husband. So kala ko sa husband ko siya. And then galing siya sa company niya kasi may branch sila sa may company branch sa Manila, sa Makati. So naka-address siya sa Makati. So tapos interesado ako, binuksan ko siya agad. So this is the one. So ito siya. So from Makati, from my country, Philippines. And then I got medical plan. So, ayan guys, I had the medical plan. Ayan, from Bergebel, company Bergebel, yung company ng husband ko. So, ito, nandito, medical plan, alam nyo naman kung ano included sa medical plan. So, yung nanganak ako sa anak ko sa kay Atu, sa toddler ko last year, ayaw ko naman sanang banggitin, pero ang bill ko is 150,000 here in India. Mahal kasi dito guys, mahal ang panganganak, mahal ang study, mahal ang school dito sa India. Honestly, mahal dito lahat. Pero sa food, lifestyle, okay. Pero pag sa education na lang pag-uusapan at panganganak, ang mahal dito sa India. So ngayon, yung nanganak ako, normal delivery guys So 150,000 yung bill namin. So tapos yung asawa ko is part of marine benefits, something like that. May mga GC, yung mga seafarer dito. May mga ganun sila, may mga club silang ganun. So may ID yung asawa ko noon, marine benefits, and I have the ID of this. And then almost nabawas yung bill namin. Ang sigurong binawasan, ang na-pay lang namin is nasa 30,000. The rest na 120,000 na-credit siya dito sa medical plan na company ng asawa ko at nung another benefits ng marine benefits. So that's the good thing. Otherwise, ang mahal guys, diba? So I got this 2 and below today. So I'm so happy. So dumating. So nandito ako sa car kasi bibili ako ng fruits. So share ko lang sa inyo guys about my Google Pin. So at least kung sino yung gustong mag-ask about the PIN, Google, how to apply, then you can comment down below. And then I'm happy to assist you guys. So for now, I have to drive and then buy the food. After you apply the monetization, and then after na ma-approve na ma-monetize yung channel mo, so you have to apply this. You have to provide this. Provide your tax information. So may pipil upan ka doon. Very important yan guys. So yung tax information, and then after mong fill upan and after mo ma-complete yung tax information, YouTube will give you a copy also. So you should print that copy also. Then the next is confirm your personal information. So dito ako natagalan. Kasi dito sa confirm your personal information, kasi nung nag-fill up ako ng Google AdSense ko, tas nilagay ko yung yung address ko doon, wala silang hininging ID. So ginawa ko is nag-email ako through the Google support, and then the good thing is they are very quick to response. So nag-response sila agad after kong na-email, and then after ng response nila, dun sila nagbigay ng what do you call this? Dun sila nag-email at sinabi na I have to submit proof of ID dun sa in-email nila, So nag-submit ako, nag-download ako ng ID ko dun sa email na pinadala nila, and then I submitted there also. Then after 30 minutes, I got the confirmation. They saying that they already received my IDs, and then my Google Pin will reach 4 weeks here in my place. So ayan, verify your identity. So verify your address. Ito kailangan i-verify yung address ito. Kasi dito nila ipapadala yung Google Pin mo sa address na to. So, and then select your form of payment. So, dito mo ilalagay yung bank details mo, yung form of payment. So, meet the payment threshold. Ang Google Pin kasi, so, marireceive mo ang Google Pin once na meet mo yung payment threshold. So, ibig sabihin once na-meet mo yung $10, so, dyan ka mag-i-start na makakuha ng Google Pin. So, if you cannot reach the $10, hindi ka nila papadalhan ng Google Pin hanggat hindi mo na-reach yung $10. So, ito yung nakalagay sa akin before. We mailed you after kung nag-submit ng ID ko, ng driving license ko dun sa email na pinadala nila sa akin. So, ito yung response nila. Ayan, we mailed you PIN on December 17, 2021. It should take 2 to 4 weeks to arrive. Verify your address by entering the PIN we sent you. So, nung December 17 ako nag-mail sa kanila. Within 30 minutes, nag-response sila. So, dun sa response nila, dun ko in-upload yung ID na hiningi nila. And then, this is the reply I got again. So, 2 to 4 weeks. So, December 17. So, now is January 31. So, only 2 weeks na-receive ko na yung Google PIN ko. So, yan na yun, guys. I got the other email again. So, this one from YouTube Creator again. Sign up for your paperless tax documents in AdSense by December 31. So, nagbago sila ng rules. So, kailangan mag-sign up ng paper tax. And then, ito yung the following steps. Ayan siya, guys. Ayan. So, sundan nyo lang yung step na to. Ayan. So, dito naman, i-approve din to ni YouTube. After mo i-click yung enable now, so, may marireceive ka na naman na message from the YouTube after 1 day or 2 day. Once na-approve nila, ito na yung isi-send nila sa'yo. Congrats on being eligible for super chat and super stickers. So, ayun guys, yun lang siya. So, I hope may na-share akong konting knowledge sa inyo about the Google AdSense PIN and about how to apply the monetization and then ano yung mga following steps niya after yung ma-monetize. So, thank you for watching, guys.